Hello, everyone. Today, we are excited to introduce the new Keylabs 2.4.1 platform update. We've prepared a range of powerful new features and enhanced our existing tools to streamline your workflow. Let's dive straight into the overview. With the third version of our AI engine, the Segment Anything model, users can now annotate objects not only through traditional visual point and click, but also via text prompts. This significantly accelerates the bitmap annotation process. To activate the model, select it on the project configuration page and save your changes. In the editor, simply add an object. Select AI Annotation and switch to the Text Prompt tab. Enter your query and hit Enter or click the search icon. The model will immediately identify and highlight the relevant objects. Click Apply, and the platform will automatically generate separate entities for all detected elements. The model delivers decent results for both static images and video frames. This release also features an OCR function for text recognition within a file frame, allowing you to easily enrich your annotations with additional details. To activate it, check the Enable OCR box in the Integrations block of the project configuration. Create a new bounding box class on the Classes page and add a string attribute to it. Now, if you click the new OCR button while annotating in the editor, you will be able to recognize text across the entire image or within a specific selected fragment. After your selection, the system will offer to map the recognition results to our bounding box attribute. Upon confirmation, a new object will be created for each text block with the recognized text in the string attribute field. These recognized text objects can later be linked to parent objects to create link trees, which will significantly simplify the organization of result presentation. In addition, we have improved the display system for string attribute content. Now, with the text wrap function, it is possible to see the entire content of long text attributes at once. To activate this feature, go to the configuration page and check the box for the Enable Multiline String Attributes parameter. Alongside this, the update introduces a translation feature that allows you to localize string attribute content from any language supported by Google Translate into one of the platform's available languages. To use the translation function, simply ensure the corresponding checkbox is enabled on the project configuration page and that data is present in the file's string attributes. Once these prerequisites are met, click the Translation button in the editor's toolbar. Select the source and target languages. Then choose the translation model: Flash for simple tasks or Pro for context-aware translation. Here you can provide additional context manually if needed. After that, choose the objects to be translated and the target objects where the translation will be recorded, and confirm the specified parameters. When the process is finished, apply the changes. Additionally, in version 2.4.1, we have added a new feature called the timeline. It can be accessed under the Panels section of the editor. Once clicked, it opens the timeline panel, providing dedicated tracks for every object you've created. This offers a clear visualization of exactly where each object and its attributes appear, disappear, or interpolate throughout the video. Providing such a detailed overview ensures a more intuitive tracking process and maintains full control over your annotation data flow. In case a broader perspective is required, the panel can be easily resized by dragging the border to reveal more objects simultaneously. To ensure an organized workspace, the toolbar includes several specialized tools. You can expand or hide attributes assigned to objects and even modify them directly from the timeline. Utilize the Filter menu to filter results by file-level attributes or specific classes, or use the search bar to locate items by name instantly. Now, when working with skeleton or mesh objects, it is possible to see the names of these points directly on the annotated object. To do this, simply enable the display of object vertices, click on Toggle Vertex Labels, and select one of the display modes. Speaking of annotation, it's also worth mentioning the export options. In this update, we have expanded the list of available formats. In addition to the platform's native format, users can now access COCO and YOLO formats, which are industry standards. The COCO format is provided with RLE and polygon options for different data representation methods, as well as the ability to preserve instance ID continuity and associated attributes. Similarly, the YOLO format comes with options for saving object masks and JSON attributes directly to the file. Alongside this, a file mapping feature is now available, allowing users to associate file names without worrying about converting platform-generated names back to the originals. To use this, on the configuration page, go to the File Mapping section and upload a CSV file containing the original file name and its corresponding platform name for each uploaded file. This ensures that exported files are saved with their original names immediately. To take advantage of mapping, simply check the corresponding box when exporting in COCO or YOLO formats. And finally, project reports now offer even more precise tracking of file progress. By navigating to the File Stats section within the Work Log reports, you will see a new Current Stage column where you can monitor exactly which stage each file is in. That's it for today's overview. Thanks for watching, and we hope these updates make your workflow even smoother. Catch you in the next one!